Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Therapeutic Tech Talk. These are the Apple Earbuds, and these are the Earin M1 Wireless Earbuds. Let's head over to the studio right now and take a closer look at them. Alright, now that we made it back to the studio, let's take a look at the Earin M1s. So these launched on Kickstarter back in 2014, but you can still buy them right now on Amazon. It's won some design awards over that period of time. It claims to have premium sound, it's an in-ear design, and you get about 3 hours of music playback. And it also claims to be sweat-proof as well. On the back here, there's not much else to it. What's included in the box, the earbuds of course, the charging capsule, micro USB cable to charge, and some comply foam tips. Those are nice. These earbuds feature a balanced armature design, and you see the frequency and sensitivity and impedance over here, and also supports some other audio codecs as well. So let's take a look at what's actually inside here. Let's bring out the handy dandy skizzers. And let's get started here. Alright, didn't cut myself, that's a start. So let's get this plastic off and see what we got. So now the plastic's off. On the side, you don't really get much. Top, and just another logo on the other side, so that's not too interesting. What is interesting is, not bad. It's cardboard design, pretty nice. What's included in the box again, you can see right there, the website, and I think these are magnetic. They are, wow. These are magnetic, did you hear that? So that's pretty cool. You don't really see that with other products, for example, and we just lost an earbud. Let's see, so we got the earbud, let's put that back for now. What else do we have in here? We have the manual, of course. I don't think anyone's really interested in seeing this, but if you do, there you go. Put that aside for now. Nothing else in there? Nope. And to get started, you can download their app as well from the iTunes store or the Play Store, but we'll skip that for now. I don't think you really need that. So this is the guy right here. These are what we're looking at today. So I think in here is where you'll find the charging cable. Let's see how you get this guy out. There. Oh, okay, so let's see. We have your standard micro USB cable right here. Nothing special. Not USB-C, but that's okay. We also have some wings, just so they can fit in your ear a little bit better if you're working out or running. You have these plastic tips, but what I'm more interested in is these comply foam tips. So let's see what we got here. So you get 2 sets of these. Right here. I think they're the same size, maybe? Nope. Medium and small. So you get the small ones and you get the medium ones as well. Probably fit the medium ones, so let's take these guys out. Probably need them. And let's also take a look at his earbuds before we put them in. So these guys are really tiny. You can see this right here. So there they are. That's one. That's the other. And over here, we have the charging capsule. So this is where you put the earbuds in to charge, for example. think they might be out of juice, but the light should light up right there, indicating that they are charging. And you also get another LED light right here as well when the capsule is charging. And of course there's your micro USB port right there. So let's put the Comply foam tips on and see how big these guys actually are. Let's do that. And you just gotta push it in. If they'll fit in. But they should. There you go. There you go. So these guys are in. One more. So what's so nice about these is, as you can see here, when you squish it down, let's get that in focus. You can squish these down, and what they'll do is, once you put them in your ear, it'll provide you a nice isolating sound. The same one for over here as well. So for comparison's sakes, let's bring out the Apple AirPods that we threw away. And let's get this in focus. So size-wise, they're comparable. They're not that much bigger, but let's get an angle right there. Well, that concludes episode 1 of Therapeutic Tech Talk. I really hope everyone enjoyed that very first video, and if you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button as well. You can also find me on Twitter at Therapeutic Tech Talk, all one word, and I'll leave that in the description below as well. Stay tuned for future reviews, unboxings, and first impression videos as well. Until next time, see ya.